How can we use a shape builder tool in Affinity Designer version 2? Be sure you are in version 2. There's no shape builder tool in version 1. So we need at least 2 shapes. Select them both and then search for the shape builder tool on the left. The shape builder tool will work in 2 different modes, plus or minus mode. You can determine that before you start, so click plus if you plan to unite your shapes. Now I can click and drag to select the shapes to unite. And here it is, one unified shape. Let's undo and try the minus mode. Now it's in the red highlight, so I can cut out this part and end up with a different shape. It's super helpful while you're designing some complex logos or symbols. Like in this case here, I can select all of that, use Shape Builder tool in the plus mode, and simply unite shapes that I need, like that. Without Shape Builder tool, this will take a really long time to nicely unite those shapes and also remove those unnecessary shapes. So whatever shapes are intersecting, we can use this tool. Take a look, he's kind of highlighting every intersection, even though it's not a separate shape just yet. And just like that, we create a really cool symbol using a shape builder tool. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. See you in the next Affinity Designer tutorial.